Right now, faceless videos are pulling millions of views, and most people have no idea how easy it is to start. Today, I'll show you the full process, creating visuals, adding sound, and packaging it perfectly, using only free tools. I've tested it, and people are earning $30,000 plus a month doing this with just smart strategy and consistency. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to launch your first faceless video. Okay, let's start with the image creation process. This part is the most important, so don't skip it. I already have a prompt prepared on how to create these images, and we will do it in Kling AI. So when you log in to Kling AI, this is what your dashboard will look like. Click where it says AI Images, and here in the field where it says Prompt, we will insert this prompt. In this prompt, it describes a first-person view of a motorcyclist crossing a narrow wooden bridge with a waterfall in the background, while the handlebars and speedometer add to the sense of speed and thrill. So paste it here, and just to remind you, all the prompts we use can be found in the video description below. Now scroll down and set the aspect ratio to 9:6 for a vertical video, and then click Generate. In a few seconds, we'll get these amazing images. Now we will download the image that we like the most. Also, now I will give you a prompt on how to generate other images, not just with a waterfall, but with the motorcyclist in different scenarios. Here we will need ChatGPT. So open ChatGPT and paste this prompt in the field. In this prompt is also an example of the previous prompt for the bot to generate prompts for different scenarios with the motorcyclist. As you can see, the bot did a great job. Now we're going to copy one of the prompts just to see what result Kling AI will give us, and then we'll continue with the video. So as you can see, now we have a different scenario with the motorcyclist, which means you'll always have different videos to create. Okay, now let's continue with the video. Now we're going to go back to the dashboard and click on AI Video. Here in this box, we're going to upload our downloaded image and paste this prepared prompt. A quick motorcycle ride towards a waterfall, turning left as you pass it and still going down the hill, always showing the bridge or road ahead. It doesn't ride on water. Now we will select 10 seconds and click Generate. Now we will just wait a little while for the video to be generated, and here is the result we got. The video came out perfect, and now we will download it. Now before we go and edit the video, we have one more step to do, because 10 seconds is not enough for a video. We have to make it longer. And it should be well connected to the previous video so that it is not noticeable that another video has been generated. So we will go to this tool called Video Frame Extractor. We will click on Select Video File and upload the video that we downloaded. We will go below and click just before the video ends, because the last frame is blurred, and we will click Extract. This tool will split the video into frames, and we will go and download the last frame, because from there, we will need to continue the next video that we will generate. Now we will return to Kling AI, and here we will upload the image with the last frame. In the prompt field, we will write this: motorcycle, keep driving until you leave the cave. We will select everything as before and click Generate. And here is the second video. As you can see, the video continues where the first video stops. Now we will download this video and go to CapCut. So just import your videos and put them on the timeline. Now we're going to go to Pixabay and look for a sound effect for a motorcycle. Just type motorcycle ride and you'll get a lot of sound effects. I like this one and I'm going to download that. Now we're going to type waterfall here and look for a sound effect for the waterfall in our video, and I'm going to download this one. And for background music, I'm going to look for ambient music. Now I'm going to put these into CapCut, and we can start editing. First, we're going to select the aspect ratio 9:16, and we're going to enlarge the videos a little bit to hide the watermark. Now we're going to set the sound effect of the motorcycle and the waterfall and adjust the sound so that it's not too loud or too quiet. If necessary, we're going to increase the speed of the video to match the sound effect of the motorcycle. Just select the video, go to the top right corner, select speed, and adjust the speed. Finally, we will go to adjustment and put custom adjustment on the timeline and stretch it to cover the entire video. Now here on the right side, adjust the saturation, clarity, and so on. And finally, go to export, give the video a name, and click export. And this is the video we created in just a few minutes. We used AI to create a high-quality viral YouTube and TikTok video. Now imagine being able to make videos like this every day without spending hours editing. How much money could you earn? How fast could your channel grow? With AI, anything is possible. It's all about how you use it. Now you have everything you need to get started. The only thing left is to take action and make it happen. Don't forget to like the video, turn on notifications, and subscribe the channel for more contents.